Dangshan ke Jynkieng High Court ke Jala Meghalaya Bathymmai ek hukum ka Batha ek Sorkar Jala bagade ban sedang no ek kam banchna da ka we ke Jynkieng dam klam da ab bakane ka badal menta kantwa halor kani hak khandai tarik ujamang aja R umentri rang ba ban rap ka Sorkar Jala ba president tensang ulapin te ba ka Sorkar Jala kala Batha ek chief secretary ka Kong Rebecca V Suchang bar kumjuru ek board district baki David Pynkhreh ek ru company ya ek trok ki ba ya ling ba kani ka Jynkieng Ulai thur baka Sorkar club Batha ekatrat PWD ban thung the way consultant ban ithu alani ban ward no dak way ke jaka na ka banta ban shnai ka ni ka Jynkieng ka Bathymmai.
People overlook the playing.
Yeah.
The government taken over this.
Well, for restricting of the capacity, carrying capacity, we have already entrusted Chief Secretary along with the district administrative council to work out the modalities how to restrict the carrying capacity of each carrying for loaded trucks. That is one. And then number two, from BOD side, in fact now I think 3-4 months back, we have already engaged one consultant because we wanted to divert that bridge. As we all know, the lifespan of that bridge is more than over. So therefore, we have already engaged from BOD, we have already engaged a consultant to identify alternative for that, and the identification is still on. And let me just tell you, I think there is one space which is occupied by the army people for boating services. I think nearby of that place, we will connect directly to that what they call it, that Nehru Park. To Nehru Park. But that I can't say right now unless the detailed examination is done by the expert.